Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video. Another StockX pickup right here, which I'm probably going to end up selling just because I got these in and just felt like the price didn't really constitute the quality that came on this pair. I had the similar thing happen last year, I want to say, with the Atmos Air Max 1. I paid like $500 on StockX for a pair. Got them in and the leather was not very nice at all. And I said to myself, you know, why am I paying $500 for this? I should have just paid retail. And that's kind of what I'm saying here. These retail for $160. Probably one of my favorite colorways on one of my favorite Air Maxes. But I did pay, I want to say $265 for these, which I think is just way too much. But I'm going to go ahead and do the review before I sell them, because I'm going to sell them for about 250 bucks and lose money. But I don't want to pay resale anymore for shoes, and I shouldn't have bought these in the first place, I guess. But yeah, super nice Air Max 98 Gundams. As you can see, it has a StockX tag on it still. And like I said, I paid I think $265 for them, which is actually a pretty good deal. It's not too bad, but at the same time, I'm kind of going through this whole phase where I don't want to pay resale on any sneaker anymore. Kind of just saying no to resale. Just it kind of bugs me that I'm paying more than what I should for a pair. And I don't know, sometimes I just think the quality doesn't constitute the price tag. $160, definitely picking these up. $265, I don't think so. Like even here, like there's just threads coming out. I just don't see the point in it anymore. But I do love this shoe and I think it's super dope. And hopefully they restock these for Air Max Day or soon, and I'll pick them up for $160. But right now for $265, I'm just not feeling it. But really super nice shoe. Here's the other one right here. The blue one, it is super nice. And they call these the Gundam just because it looks like the Gundam wing, if you're familiar with that show on Toonami when you were little. Or if you watch the anime now like me on Hulu. So, I mean, there's tons of things going on with this shoe. Air Max 98 is a crazy wild one. Has a bottom of a 97 and like just a really weird upper, to be quite honest with you. The tongue comes up very awkwardly on the shoe. It has a patch right here with the Nike swoosh. And it's not lightweight at all. It's pretty heavy, to be quite honest. And that's pretty much it. Air Maxes are really easy to review. Just the color blocking is a little bit different. This is like a clown shoe, kind of, if you didn't know if it was Gundam themed. It's not even Gundam themed. People just dubbed it that. But yeah, it's a super nice shoe. You have that white leather patch running through here. Just like I said, I'm done paying resale for shoes. I bought these for resale. I'm going to sell them for what I paid. And just be done with it and kind of save my money. And like I said, maybe they'll restock these in the future. Well, I know for sure years on they will, but maybe Air Max Day or something. I'll have my hopes high if I could get these for retail. But these sold out super quick. I was able to grab the red toes and the gold toes that morning, but not these, which was crazy because I thought this would be the easy cop. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought about the Air Max 98 Gundam. To me, it's one of my favorite 98s, definitely my favorite colorway. But like I said, I can't pay resale anymore for shoes. I just don't see the point in it anymore to me. I don't know if I'm just kind of growing out of collecting shoes. I mean, I don't think I am. I still love shoes, but just paying more for something that I shouldn't have to pay more for, it's just kind of getting to me now. Especially now being older and like trying to be responsible with money, I guess. But that's it for this one. Really love this shoe. Let me know in the comments down below if you're able to pick up a pair, what you think of this shoe. And that's pretty much it for this video. But that's going to be it for this one. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. And I will catch you guys next time.